can call me. I promise that.
Hi guys, my name is Brian. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to install PowerDirector without watermark. PowerDirector app, just like KineMaster, must purchase the full version to remove the watermark, but it's easy to get full version without purchase. Now no more nonsense. Let's get right into it. First, download the watermark. The website link will be in the description below. I'm already downloaded the app, so just open watermark and search PowerDirector. Finally, download PowerDirector app. I click the green button that say install, and now you can enjoy it. That's all for now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a like if you like it. Share to your friends and your family. I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Here we go!